going to tell the babies how much we love them, okay? We're going to use our right hand for this, and we're going to draw a line down the left-hand side of baby's tummy. Then we're going to go across and down, and then we're going to go up, across, and down. So all three actions end on the left-hand side of baby's body. And as we come down, we say I. And as we come across and down, we say love. And as we come up, across, and down, we say you. Lovely. And as you tell your baby how much you love them, try and make lots of eye contact and reassure them with smiles. Let's do it all together 3 times. I love you. I love